At Liberty Home Products, we take our work seriously. From the very start, each custom product is assembled using the finest American and European materials. Throughout our storied history, Liberty Home Products has been dedicated to keeping every aspect of the manufacturing process under one roof. In doing so, we're very proud to be recognized as leaders in domestic manufacturing practices by our industry partners. Every order placed with us undergoes our meticulous measurement, fabrication, assurance, and installation protocol, offering you a guaranteed perfect fit and seamless operation. We're committed to providing not only the highest quality products, but also a level of unwavering service that exceeds the industry standard.